Good morning, students. We all know what a verb is. Again, I tell you, an action word is called a verb. Now, most of the students, they don't understand what are regular verbs and irregular verbs. I'll explain in this session of yours. First is regular verbs. These verbs form their past and past participle forms by adding an ed. Example, you can see here, I have taken two examples. First is walk. When we add an ed to it, it becomes walked. Again, it becomes walked in the past participle also. The second word is paint. Painted, painted. The form has not changed here. Walk, walked, walked. Paint, painted, painted. Now we will come to the irregular verbs. Irregular verbs form their past and past participle forms in different ways. Here we will discuss what are those different ways. There are mainly three types of irregular verbs. First we will see the first type, verbs in which all the three forms are same. They don't change in any form. Example is put, put and put. Second form is verbs in which two of the three forms are the same. Example is sit, sat, sat. See, this is one form. Now the second form changes and the third form is again changes. Here we had seen the form does not change. It remains the same in all three parts. But in the second part, it changes. The two are same and one is different. Third is verbs in which all three forms are different. See, example, drink, drank, drunk. All the three forms are different. So these are the three types of irregular verbs. Now we will see some examples of the verbs which are both regular and irregular. See, I have taken two examples. First is burn. When we change burn into burnt and burnt, it becomes irregular. As previously I had told you, sit, sat, sat. Two forms are same, one is different. But when we talk about regular, it is burn, burned, burned. When we put an ed to it, it becomes a regular verb. Again in the second example, dream, dreamt. We have just put a T here to make it past tense. Dreamt. It becomes irregular. Just like burn, burnt and burnt. Then dream. If we put an ed to it, dreamed. Pronunciation also changes. Dreamed. It becomes regular. So now children, I have given you this assignment. Find from the list which words are regular and which are irregular verbs, and also write the three forms of these words. The verb, past and the past participle. I have given you 20. I have chosen 20 words, 1 to 20. Please write all the three forms of these verbs, and also in bracket in front of those words write whether they are regular or irregular. I hope you have understood this session of mine. Thank you for being patient. Thank you.